ever too small, and no dream is ever too big. We Filipinos overlive our country, bring nothing but our hopes and dream. A dream of a comfortable life for our families. A dream of sending our children to a good school. A dream of providing them enough food and other basic needs. And a dream of helping our relatives. Dreams seemingly endless and full of hope. I believe that we Filipinos are not only great dreamers, but big achievers as well. We can accomplish things because of our distinct values. Being an OFW is a proof that we can strive and significantly contribute to our country's welfare as well as in the countries where we work.
This is air traffic control. You're cleared for takeoff.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.